Good day everyone, my name is Kendall Reap and welcome to this episode of WOOX Garage. Today I would like to take the time to show you some of the features of our cleaning kit. First things first, it comes in this very beautiful wood box that makes a good ornament in any living space or workshop. After you undo the buckles and lift the lid off, you see that it offers this nice foam insert to keep any of your tools from moving around in either transportation or just general movement. First thing that it comes with, or is noticeable, is you have a large rifle mounting system that locks down very sturdy and is adjustable for the individual's height. Once you have it to the height you want, you lock down these butterfly nuts and it will lock it down into place and offer you a very sturdy, strong place to work from. Some of the other features of this kit is a bamboo microfiber cloth. We have two brushes that come with it as well. First, a fine brush for those harder to reach areas, and then a larger brush for any more dirt or debris that you have on your rifle. We also have our WOOX bio-based degreaser. It is derived from plant sulfates, as well as our all-metal torque wrench, which is adjustable from 2 to 10 Newton meters. And it comes with a T10, a T20, and a T25 for any work that you need to do on your firearms. Thank you for taking the time to look at these features today, and I hope to see you soon on another episode of WOOX Garage. Thank you and have a great day.